Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing and enveloping the Piquant Post for February 2019. Piquant Post is a monthly spice subscription where you get 4 different spices and 4 correlating recipes every month, and usually there's a focus on a region of the world or a specific country when it comes to the spices. It is $11.99 a month, but if you use my code down below, you can get 15% off of your first order. I believe it's SBL15, so if you're interested in signing up, you can get a little bit of a discount. So I subscribed to this back a while ago, and I subscribed back in January because I was just getting kind of bored of what I was cooking, and so I wanted something to kind of spice it up and make it fun again. And I love learning about different cuisines, different cultures, and things like that, so this is a great subscription for that. I will leave a link down below if you're interested in signing up. And let's go ahead and get in. If you hear things hitting the window, it is snowing / sleeting here in Virginia, and yeah, also people can't drive here, so if you hear sirens, people don't know how to drive in the snow here, so, or in weather in general. So when I take it out, we have all of the spices and then the cards. So it looks like we are going to China this month for the spices. Let me take them off of the recipes. So I was, like I said, I was subscribed a while back, and some of these recipes and spice blends are familiar to me. So some of them are repeats from probably like half a year ago, but that's okay because I really like the recipes. So the spices we have are Chinese salt and chili pepper, which has sea salt, white pepper, and Sichuan pepper. We also have the Chinese 5-spice, which is cinnamon, cloves, fennel seeds, star anise, and Sichuan peppercorns. Then there is the spicy tangerine. It has tangerine peel, ginger, and red pepper flakes. And then the last spice is the Silk Road blend, which has cumin, sesame seeds, coriander, cayenne, garlic powder, and Sichuan peppercorns. And then they have the recipe cards, so let's go through them. Usually one spice correlates with one recipe, but sometimes they do switch between. So the first thing I'm seeing is Hong Kong scallops with ginger and soy. That's what it looks like. And this, I believe, uses the Piquant Post, the salt and pepper one. I haven't tried this one. This one I don't think was in it before, so excited to try that one out. Then the spicy tofu steaks. I think this has Silk Road spice, right? Yeah, I've made this before and it's actually really good. I never had tried like a tofu steak before. I just like chopped it up into cubes and cooked it that way, and I actually really liked it, so I'm excited to try this again. And tofu is extremely inexpensive if you like tofu. And that's the thing about this. So like, let's say you don't like seafood or scallops, or you don't like tofu. If you go to their website, you can find substitutions if you're not sure what a good substitute would be, and you can find alternate recipes for the different spices. The next one is 5-spice chicken, which I have also, this was a repeat from before, and this one was really good, which uses the 5-spice blend. I remember really liking this one. My sister does too, and she's like, oh, when you make that, make sure you tell me because I really want to try it. And then the last one is tangerine pork fried rice, which has the spicy tangerine. I think last time when I got this, I think it might be the same spice or a similar spice, but it was with beef. I try to stay away from pork, so I'll probably substitute this with, because it calls for ground, yeah, it calls for ground pork. I'll probably just substitute with ground turkey. So those are the different spices this month. Like I said, you can get 15% off of your order if you sign up using my link down below. I know that last month a couple people asked me to show me cooking the recipes or the results of them. So I posted a couple of, I think 1 or 2 of the recipes I showed on my story over on my Instagram, which is probably where I'll keep that for now. My apartment does not have a great kitchen, and I don't really have good filming equipment yet. I'm planning on buying a camera, and maybe then I will film me cooking a little bit. I am no expert at cooking, but for now, if you do want to see them, go over to my Instagram, and I may or may not be posting some of those. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.